Hello everyone. Welcome to another tutorial on 𝘓𝘓 by Lambdatest. 𝘓𝘓 is a developer-friendly desktop application that lets you instantly view, build, and debug your responsive website on 45 plus unique viewports. By default, you will get the most popular screens for mobile, tablets, and desktops. However, in case your favorite resolution isn't available over the 𝘓𝘓, you can create your own custom device and add to it. How? Let's find out. Adding a custom device is easy. Simply click on the Add button on the right window and navigate to the Add Custom Device tab to create the screen size of your choice. Fill the necessary details about the custom device, such as your device name, width and height, pixel ratio, and at the end, define the user agent string. A browser's user agent string helps identify the browser, browser version, and the operating system being used. Once you're done, click on the Add Device. And that's it. The new custom device screen now appears on the main comparison grid. It also gets added on the toolbar under the Custom category for future usage. Using the custom device, you can compare your website alongside standard resolutions and analyze how your website behaves on different out-of-the-box screens. You can run responsive tests and can also generate a performance test report for the custom screen resolution. Here is a fun fact. You can add as many custom devices as you want. All the custom devices can be accessed under the Custom category in the toolbar or in the Add Device menu. To delete a custom device, simply click on the bin icon and confirm. If you repeatedly use a specific device resolution, mark it as your favorite by just clicking on the star icon. All your favorite devices will be shown under the Favorite section. Also, to find a specific created device, use the search bar at the top left and enter the custom device name, and the device will appear instantly. We also have a step-by-step guide in place to help you get started with 𝘓𝘓. You can find it in the help section here or in the description below. If you face any challenges, feel free to reach out to us via our chat support or drop us a mail at support@lambdatest.com. Thanks for being with us so far. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with new features and integrations with the Lambdatest platform. Happy testing!